Hello everyone, welcome to official channel of Seaborn. In this video, we will see how can we analyze the data with the help of ChatGPT. So, by clicking on this plus icon, we can simply upload our dataset. So here we have a dataset of the BMW Car Sales classification. Here I will give the first command like interpret the data. Okay, so ChatGPT interpreted the data. Here you can see the overview and the structure of that data. You can see the column name, data type, description. So you can see for each and every column. For example, the year, data type should be integer, so it is, and then the description, manufacturing year of the vehicle. Okay, so it also give the brief description of that particular column as well, and the sample data you can see. It basically give the first 5 rows of that data set, like the model, fifth series, then the year, region, color, and all. So the data we uploaded, but one thing before visualizing or analyzing we can do, which is the data cleaning. Here we just have to give the command to ChatGPT like clean the data. As you can see, there is no missing values and there is no duplicate records, so everything is quite good. The original shape of the data, which was the 50,000 rows and the 11 columns, and the clean shape was also remaining same because there was no duplicacy or the value or the null values. Already clean and already ready to analysis or the modeling. Okay, so here you can see ChatGPT gave us some of the options that we can do. We can perform these experiments with the data, like analyze the trends or correlation. Okay, before starting analysis or visualization, we need to get the trends and the correlations of that data for the analysis. So we simply copy this and paste it over here. Okay, so you can see it gives us the complete trends and the correlational analysis. Okay, so here you can see the feature and the correlation with the sales classification. Then it also gives us the key insight, like sale volume is the primary driver of the sale classification, which makes sense since high and low classification is likely based on volume. Other numerical features like mileage, price, and engine size show very weak or no correlation with the classification. Okay, so you can see, guys, there is no need to perform any extra analysis, or we can say there is no need to use an extra BI tool for it. You can simply get this simpler structure by the help of ChatGPT. You can see the backend process of ChatGPT to analyze the data. Like it use the Python and Python's libraries to analyze the data. Okay. Okay, so we got our output, like the sales classification by fuel type. So data labels are added, like for the petrol we have a number like 3815. For a lower number we can see the 8735. Okay, because when it added the data level, it also make the data more understandable for me. You can see the sales classification by transmission. Okay, so automatic and manual, there are two types of transmission in the vehicle. So you can see the data for both, like manual has hold the this much data and the automatic holds this much data. You can see the sales classification by region. Here you can see the regions, Asia, America, Africa, Europe, etc., and their sales count you can see. So yeah, this become very good, by the way. Okay, by year, sales classification trend by year, that's awesome. Like sales classification trend by year, you get the visual here. Recent year like 2022 2024 show noticeable increase in high sales classifications. Yeah, so the changes in the increment of the sales you can see in the recent years like 2022 23 24, and the earlier years like 2010 to 2015 are dominated by low sales classification, likely due to the aging models or reduced resale appeal. Okay, by these trends you can get by the year. If there would be a month, so we can get by the month. Okay, so that would also become the more easier to analyze. So this is the new concept, like what is the HTML report. I will show you. HTML report make your work very simpler. If you are go through the ChatGPT, not an API tool, then so this is the HTML report. You can see here. You can see the legends in this side. Okay, so if you are clicking on the petrol, you can see the sales classification, which is high, then fuel type is petrol, then count is 3815. Just like that you can see the for the low, and you can see the count as well in a dynamically changing format. So this is what the HTML report make easier for you. There is no need to show data level here. You can always get the values whenever you will click on the particular visual. From here you can download the plot as PNG, like new plot PNG. So you will see this whole HTML report in a PNG format. So this is how the overall report will be look like in the PNG format. So this is how you can analyze the data in a simple way with the help of ChatGPT. And if you want to any suggestion, so based on the data, I asked ChatGPT to give me a suggestion to improve and increase the sales. Okay, so ChatGPT give on the basis of the data, it gives us some of the suggestions like focus on the high performing regions, then push petrol and manual models strategically, then prioritize the newer models. So this is how ChatGPT analyze and help you with your data.